Here's how to make a mill control operation. If we go to our create operation function, we can go up to mill planer. Here you'll see that there is an option for mill control. You can select that and then say OK after you've selected whatever tool you're going to want to use. I'm just going to go ahead and say OK to get the toolpath to jump into my program folder. We'll go ahead and say we need to put a program stop after our cavity mill roughing operation. Mill control is typically used to add in user-defined commands to your program, such as a M0 or program stop. We can drag this up underneath our cavity mill and notice that we still have our tool 11 in the spindle after tool 11 is here. That's a good habit to have the mill control tool be the same tool as your cavity milling operation. It's also a good habit to make both operations have the same feed and the same speed. We'll go ahead now and double click our mill control operation to open it up, and in user defined events we can click that wrench. Here we'll go ahead and scroll down to our events that are available and find stop. We will add that new event, make sure it's active, and say OK. You now have an active program stop added. We will scroll up and we will also add an operator message to this event that will say, this is for checking fixture tightness. Say OK, and then we can say OK again and OK one more time. We'll go ahead and generate this toolpath. You'll see that there's nothing because all we're doing is adding in these start events here, or events that are user defined onto this mill control operation. For my own personal preference, I then typically will single click on this to get to the rename function and rename this as a M00 for my program stop. That way I know that this toolpath is solely here for a program stop. Now if I were to post these two toolpaths here together, you can see that it's going to do our cavity milling operation, and then when we scroll down, there's going to be a M0 right here, and this is our operator message, and that is our M00 or mill control operation.